sometimes get perks for being a vegan and just having written cookbooks. Sometimes I get a perk, and today I got one of those perks. A couple of days ago, I received a message from a woman who has started with her partner a company in Vancouver called MevTarts, and they offered to bring the tarts all the way from Vancouver to where I am in White Rock, which is not a short drive. So I really appreciate them coming all this way to deliver these gorgeous tarts. Look at these. These are vegan, raw, gluten-free, naturally sweetened, and just look at how beautiful they look. I'm like loving the whole aesthetic of this. Picking up a pack of tarts, and on your way you go. And you can order them through their site. So you can order straight from their site. And I get to try all of them today. And I just want to show each one to you. We have blueberry. Sherlock's very upset out there because the attention is not on him. He did come to say hello to them when they visited. Matcha. You know I love my matcha, but there's one I'm even more excited about here. Mango passion fruit. And this is the one. This has my name written all over it, I'm telling you. Banana caramel. It's funny because when I showed the girls, I showed them their Instagram page, which is gorgeous. You have to go take a look. Bridget saw it and went, oh my gosh, the banana caramel. And I said, I know, girl, take a look at, oh my gosh, just take a look at that. That's so beautiful. Can you see this? I don't want to knock it over. I'm just gonna show you. And I think we need to go in for a taste of this one. I'm like, my mouth is watering, it looks so good. Oh my heavens, will you look at that? It's not too sweet. It's just sweet enough. Honestly, sometimes sweets and vegan sweets, I'm finding more and more like I don't eat much refined sugar in sweets, that I find some things are just too darn sweet. This is like perfectly sweet, gorgeous. Look at the mango passion fruit. Look at that. Blueberry. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So shall we try it? I'm just gonna take the very edge of this one where it's thawed. Yeah, that's the right consistency there. They're delightful. This isn't a sponsored post. I'm just happy to share and, you know, get the word out. And I'm appreciative that they took the time to drive and reach out to me and bring me treats. Get yourself some. Pick out the flavor that you think you'd like, or get a pack with each flavor in it. It's so delightful. Thank you to Leah and Vlad, and I wish you well. And guys, go over to the page and give them a thumbs up and maybe go order some. Thanks for watching, and sorry to enjoy it all on one side of the screen. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. That's my jam.